Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we're in my beauty room and I thought since with all the time I have in my hands, not being able to go anywhere, that I would do kind of a deep clean and declutter in here. Now I don't have a lot of makeup to declutter per se. If you guys caught, I did a whole bunch of decluttering videos or makeup decluttering videos back last summer. So I kind of just want to go through like this drawer right here that I use every day. It's looking a hot mess. You guys will see it soon. And then a couple other drawers and things up on my desk, kind of just go through and reorganize and see if there's anything that I can get rid of. And then also, since pretty much like all the furniture here besides the chairs is white, I really just kind of like brush over like cleaning the countertops, but like I don't really ever deep clean everything because it's white. And my Lash shelves back here, I never, you guys will see them. I'm pointing to them. I know you can't see them, but I just like don't really ever like dust them or clean them because they're white and you can't see anything. And I don't know, it's like, it sounds bad. So I kind of want to, deep clean all the surfaces today, kind of dust everything like that as well, tackle this beauty room and hopefully give you guys some inspiration and motivation to declutter and clean as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be your beauty room. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you would like to clean and declutter my beauty room with me, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so this is my beauty room. Now it's kind of a dark and gloomy day. It's not really sunny, so it might look kind of dark in here. Now, besides all the cleaning stuff that I'm going to use right there, you see what I mean? Kind of how you walk in and you think, oh yeah, it looks organized, it looks clean. But I want to tackle, these like the tops of my 9-drawer IKEA, and then all the Lash shelves here, and just kind of do some deep cleaning around here and around my desk as well. Maybe dusting even some of my lights. I'm probably not going to show you guys that, but these lights are really dusty. So that's kind of what I want to do. But first, I figure we will go through the makeup. So this drawer right here is used every single day if I'm doing my makeup, and it's starting to kind of look like a hot mess. I may be able to get rid of some stuff in here, but I kind of just want to get it more organized and not have like crap all over the place. But this is basically bronzers, blushes, and highlighters. It's supposed to be bronzer contours, or actually it's supposed to be bronzers, setting powders, blushes, and then highlighters. So I kind of want to get it back to what it used to be, because I've got like highlighters where like blushes are supposed to be, vice versa. So let's go through this. So I kind of just deep cleaned these 3 containers and organizers, and I was able to score this the other day actually at the store. They really did not have anything. Obviously cleaning wipes, you're just never going to find them. They go the quickest. There are a couple bottles of this 409 multi-surface cleaner, kills 99% of germs and bacteria. So that's what I've been using to just kind of deep clean in these shelves. So I just wanted to show you guys first how I organize everything. So this is basically all my blushes. I don't want to like tip it like too much, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when I put it back in. So I kind of just organized all my blushes. I've got a lot of NARS, Tarte, and the Balm. That's like a majority of what's in here. And then I kind of just stuck this highlighter. It's like a Ciate London like stick highlighter. I needed a home for it, and I just kind of stuck it there. So that's what we have going on for the blushes. And then I kind of decided to not have my bronzers with my setting powders. I decided that my bronzers need their own container. I have so many damn bronzers. So I decided to make this one kind of like my bronzer container slash organizer. I don't want to tip it too much, but that's what it looks like. I've got, my Hourglass Ambient Setting Powders. Those are like my favorite. I've got like a Too Faced Sweetie Pie one. I've got Hoola by Benefit. I've got like a Too Faced one there, and just some other odds and ends. I've got like a NARS one, and then a Laura Mercier as well. So this is the bronzer bin or container. And then lastly, I kind of just mixed up setting powders and then highlighters toward the end. So we have setting powders in the back, a lot of MAC. I've got a Too Faced one, and then I've got a lot of highlighters. My Ofra highlighters are in there and everything like that. Now the only thing is I couldn't find a home for this palette right here. So I might keep it up in one of my drawers on my desk, but I use this every day, you guys. It's the Hourglass Ambient Setting Powders, and I love these. So I don't know yet. I'll have to figure it out, or I might just keep it in this drawer. So I'm going to pop these in and show you what it looks like. What I was able to get rid of, this I actually have a brand new one of, so I didn't need this, obviously. This is ancient. It's the Balm Desert Bronzer. I've hit pan. It's old. I'm just going to toss it. It's garbage. Then this, I'm going to see, actually no, this isn't the one. This I've hit pan. This is probably like 6 years old. It's garbage. It's the Chocolate Soleil Too Faced Bronzer. This Wet n Wild Contour Palette. Again, it's ancient, it's old. I'm just gonna honestly toss that. And then this right here, I'm gonna see if like my sister wants. It doesn't even, it's like brand new even though it's like a few years old. It's the Too Faced Beach Bunny Bronzer, but I don't really use it or reach for it. So I'm gonna see if she wants that. So I got rid of that. And then this Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I love it. I love it for baking. But I honestly have this newer Ciate London one that I've been using to kind of clean up my contour. This, like, the top broke. I have, like, tape on it. It's ancient. I don't want to get rid of it, but I honestly think I'm going to toss it. Every time I open it up and close it, I get like powder. I already have powder on my finger. It's very messy. So I'm going to get rid of this as well. And then lastly, I have a few odds and ends. This is a Kevyn Aucoin bronzer. It's just way too dark for me. I think it was like in a subscription I got. So I just might, I don't even know. I might see if my sister wants it or donate it. But the place that I donate to, they only take like brand new makeup, so I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with it, or maybe somebody else will want it. And then I have this Madison Miller Ofra collab palette. I don't really reach for it, you guys. I'm gonna give it to my sister, and the thing is, I have a lot of Ofra highlighters already. I don't really care for the two that are in here, but I also already have this same exact blush that's in this palette right here, so I'm just gonna see if she wants it. So I can make room, so I'm going to get rid of that. So I'm going to pop these in here and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when I kind of pull open the drawers. We've got all my bronzers there, again, like I was saying, and then I've got all my blushes right there, and then this is highlighters and setting powder, so I think it's definitely more organized. Now, I did put the loose setting powder there, and then I had this one up on the in this top little drawer here, the mini Laura Mercier. It's like the eye translucent setting powder, so I just decided to kind of keep those there. And then lastly, as I was saying, this, I just decided to make some room and put it there. So that's what that's looking like. Definitely more manageable. So this is my lash drawer. It's kind of looking a little minimal, but it just like needs to be organized, you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys this before I go through and organize it. I might be even able to use this for something else since I don't have as many lashes in here as I thought I did. I was actually able to get rid of like that container down there. And I like to take my lashes out of the packaging. I don't like to leave like the cardboard and the plastic on it. I just think they're easier to like, you know, or they're easily accessible, if you will. So I just have all my lashes kind of stacked there. And if you guys are wondering, I have Salon Perfect 614. I love those. These are the Kiss number 11s. These are like my everyday go-to ones. And then I have the number 1s by Kiss. And then I have Bouffant by Kiss as well. And these are just like some more dramatic lashes. And then we just have the Ardell singles. So I think that's looking more organized. And honestly, if I need more room to kind of put stuff in, I can put stuff back there. Right now, I think I'm going to start wiping down everything. Now, I was going to go through like some of these, like this one in particular. It's like my lip glosses and like lipsticks and stuff. Honestly, I just like don't know if I really feel like it. We'll see towards the end of the video. I can even go back to that after I've wiped everything down. I'm going on like filming. This is like my 3rd video I filmed today, so I kind of just want to be done with this, you guys. So if I have enough time or feel like it, I will declutter that. If not, I will save that drawer for a different video. Trust me, it'll probably take at least 10 minutes to go through that or more. So I'm going to kind of just wipe down all the surfaces and do my desk area as well. Wipe down and clean all the countertops and get everything sanitized, germ-free. I'm going to be using this 409. And then to make it actually smell really good in here, if you guys couldn't have guessed, I'm going to go in with this Caldrea afterwards. The only thing with this Caldrea is it doesn't really get rid of germs. It like cleans surfaces, but it's nothing like this. So I wanted to go in with this first and then this after. So I'm going to wipe down everything and I will see you guys shortly. just from doing this lash shelf right here, you guys, like, do you see all this? Like, it's invisible, and I feel guilty now because I would just look and be like, oh, it's clean, whatever, I don't need to do anything. I can go and dust it every like 6 months or whatever. No. And I wipe down surfaces in my house every single week. So Ashley, this is a bad practice. You need to get out of this habit. So look at all of that. It's crazy. I got that. It's like I'm having a hard time breathing though because of the 409. So I'm going to continue, and then I'm going to go back in with a Caldrea afterwards. Just to let you guys know, I don't even know the last time I kind of like thoroughly like went through and cleaned here. I usually keep all my setting sprays there. I just wanted to let you know, again, it's getting a little hard to breathe, but like, do you see like the dirt that we're getting, the dirt and the grime, especially with all this white stuff? So I'm really glad that I decided to tackle this today. So much for keeping these LED string lights in place. You see these in the background of my videos. Yeah, and I have them draped throughout here, but if I'm going to be cleaning these lash shelves, it's a little impossible to keep them in place, so I'm going to have to like reorganize them when I'm done. So now I know why I don't, or one of the reasons why I don't like to kind of go through and dust these shelves very thoroughly is because these LED lights that I have here, I'll turn them on so you guys can see them. But it was a pain in the ass to get them back. See right there? It was a pain in the ass to get them back to kind of like a neat arrangement. So yeah, I probably like don't want to touch that anytime soon, but at least for now it's clean. So we have all these surfaces clean now. What I'm going to do is go in with the Caldrea. Honestly, at this point, I need to go in with the Caldrea because the smell of the 409 is really bothering me, and I feel like I'm breathing it in, and I'm okay with breathing in this Caldrea, but the 409, you guys. Okay, you guys, not that it looks different than it did before, but everything is wiped down and clean and sanitized now. So I just wanted to show you guys what everything looks like. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below, have I inspired and motivated you to start decluttering and deep cleaning? It doesn't necessarily have to be makeup or your beauty room. It could be any room in the house. Let me know. I mean, we all got time on our hands, so we might as well start doing our spring cleaning early. And the other thing too, if I wasn't filming this, I would just have music playing. And when I have music going and cleaning, I'm dancing and cleaning, getting a workout in general. That's what you guys can do. It's actually really fun. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.